Hello everyone. Next take a paper, fold it like this from all the sides. Now after that we'll be folding it from the other side as well. Open it and again press it like this. Now after pressing it, fold it like this and then we have to press it from the sides, tilt it little bit like this. Now after that open it and again fold it as shown in the video. Now after opening it, we have to press it like this. Now after pressing it, we'll be opening it like this. Now after that you have to press it and fold it upward as shown in the video. Now keep folding it as shown here. Now after that we'll be pressing it like this and open it, fold it again from the that side, and then your envelope is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Take a white color paper strip and fold it like this. So take a little hard paper strip. Now we have to make more as such and then paste them like this. Now join them together and make a ladder like shape, and then you have to paste it like this in the between. Now take a green color paper card and then fix it like this. Fold the paper from the between and close it. Open it and you'll get a stair like shape. Now take the heart shape paper pieces, cut them out, and then you have to paste them like this one by one. Keep pasting it like this, and then we have to take another paper strip and fold it like this and press it. Make few more as such and then paste them one by one as shown in the video. Now after that take small pieces of paper and then you have to put it over it like this. Now after that we'll be putting few more as such and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be making some more interesting art and crafts. So we'll be making this Christmas tree. So take a paper and then fold it like this. After folding it, we'll be folding it from the sides to make the creases on it. Now, after making the creases, turn the paper like this and press it as shown in the video. So keep folding it and then you have to collect them together like this and then make a triangle like shape. Now after that, open it from the between, make few more as such and keep folding them and fixing them like this. Press them and then you have to join them like this, making a triangle like shape or a cone like shape and fix it. Make one more as such, put them over it, make a star on the top, and it's done. Next, we'll be making these beautiful dresses. So take a yellow color paper and then we'll be folding it like this from the between. Press it from the sides again and then fold it like this. Now after that, we'll be folding above the paper like this and make the creases on it. Now press it inwards like this from both the sides and then you have to press it like this. Fold it from the other side as well like this and then you have to press it again. Now after that, you have to put them like this, make the bell like shapes, and then we'll be joining them and your Christmas bells are ready. Don't forget to make a bow on the top of it to join them, and look how beautiful it's looking. You can decorate your Christmas tree in the same manner, make some bells and decorate it like this. So make the bow very carefully, give it a proper shape like this and then fix it on the top. Make one more as such and then using a stick we'll be folding it like this. Fold it and then we'll be making its handle and then we'll be making the bow on the sides like this and put the red color dots or paper like this and it's ready. Next, take orange color paper, fold it like this. After folding it, make a triangle. Now we have to draw the lines over it like this. After drawing the lines, you have to just cut it out over the lines very carefully. Now keep drawing the lines what you want to draw over it, or a star or anything of your choice. You can cut it like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.